Hello. So I'm going to show you the deployment of Lambda using the SAM CLI. So I'll be writing a simple code, simple hello world, and then I'll be deploying that using some two, three commands SAM CLI. So for that, first thing you have to create one user, and that should be there in AWS. And then secret credentials, or see if you go to the security credentials over the user, and there you have to create this access keys. If you create on this, create access keys, and then you can select the CLI, and then next. Once you'll be clicking on the next, now you have to give the name of that particular value in Lambda, and then once you'll be clicking, creating that thing, let me create that. That will be good option, just. So now here you can download the CSV, and then so now once you'll be downloading the CSV, you will be finding your that thing. So here access key, and this is the secret ID. Okay, this one is the access key ID, and this is the secret one. So now the first thing that need to be there, and then another thing you have to be installed in your system. So that is AWS CLI you have to install. I'll give you the command, sorry, URL, and then also you have to install the AWS SAM CLI. That is also you have to give. You have to install this two thing before like deploying using the SAM CLI. Now let me go somewhere like uh, here itself on the VS Code. So the first command I'll be giving it here, SAM init. So once I'll be giving you the SAM init, no, this command will be running, and you have to select two options it's giving, right? One is the AWS quick start template and custom template location. So quick start template is one, and then here you can find the hello world example. So here you can select that hello world example, and I'm not going to do anything else, just I'm creating hello world. Do you want to use the most popular runtime? Yes, Python. And like X-ray, yes. So whatever is there, no, you can give yes according to your requirement. So I'm going to give everything yes. So now I'm going to give GL Lambda. So it will be creating for me. Some template will be there. So let me go to the D drive. There will be, I'll be this template should be created over there. This is the template, It has been created. So now if I open it to the VS Code, so here you can see hello world lambda has been created and all this thing no needed. I'm going to delete all this. So this thing not needed. So this, and I'm going to this, delete this thing. And also I'm going to delete this one. So now here is the hello world has been given. So let me write hello Jewel. So now another thing I have to do. So we have to check it out the template, So this is the template automatically generated by the SAM. So now just I'll change as my in my system Python version is 12. So I'm going to give here 3.12 Python version. So nothing need to change, no need to change anything else. As per your requirement, you can change the things, You can add the IAM roles and also now by default it will be creating all the things. So this is the get method has been so hello world, and also it will be going to create that one API gateway. So where we can hit the API of this Lambda and I can get the result. So now let me save it. And if I go to the terminal, here is the new terminal. So now once I'll be, so let me show you another thing into the Lambda. So if I go to Lambda, so there should not be any Lambda right now running because I haven't created any Lambda still. So there is a no function is running, so create have function. So I'm not going to create anything manually, right? So everything will be done for me, the SAM. So now SAM build, I have to give this command. So it will be start building my project, and then okay. So now deploy SAM deploy guided, so this command should be there, and this command once it will run this command, no, it will be deployed. So now there's another thing. Can you remember that at the beginning I have downloaded one what is that called? One credentials like AWS secret ID and secrets, right? So now let me configure that one. AWS configure. So I have to give that secret ID and all. So here this one is the secret ID. So you have to give this select and then just paste it over here. And then you have to give this one. This is the secret. So it's asking for the secret. So give it. And if you want to give any reason name, so there you can give. So nothing I am going to give. So now everything is set up. So now we can easily run our the SAM deploy command. So SAM deploy guided. So it will be guide you what are the things like it will be asking for you the stack name. So stack name should be the same. Yes, US is one. So if you want to change the reason, you can give here change some other reason name, so I'm not going to change anything. Yes, 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 yes. All this thing you can do. So SAM configuration. So if you want to change the TOML files name, so that you can do. Making it by default, whatever is there. I'm saving that one only. So now our Lambda will be start deploying. It will be creating IAM role, buckets and all. Create the changes in the stack and array record while calling the create change operation stack cloud formation US is one. Also, there is some issue on this, so let us uh, change this. The reason then will be uh, like give some other name, the one, and also we can change the reason US is 1 to 2. So now Y, everything should be Y, yes, yes. So now our Lambda will be start deploying. So it's creating the required resources, started creating everything. So after that, so everything will be deployed, started creating the resources. So once it will be created, so now um, that will be like deploy our Lambda into your AWS. So it started creating the resources. It will take some time, like 5 to 10 minutes. You have to wait for that. So once it will be created, no, then I'll be showing you that our Lambda has been deployed into our AWS, and then we can like start over there, right? So let us wait for some time. So writing the chain set to be created. So now it will be asking for yes or no. Yes. And give yes over there. So it will be start creating for you the cloud formation event from the stack operations. All this resources will be created in AWS, and then your stack will be running, and then So now, then we can like do all this, So now let us wait for another some time. So it has been deployed. So let us go to our AWS platform and then let us go there and let us click here and click on the function. So one function should be deployed, but we are in the US is to one reason. I have deployed the Lambda. US is two, set the Ohio reason. So now we have to move to the Ohio reason, and then we can check it out over there. The our Lambda has been deployed. Look at there. So GL Lambda 1, something I have given this name, right? So here you can see whatever the hello world code was there, that thing has been deployed over here. So if I go to again to our this thing, our local VS Code, so hello GL, so that should be here. Hello GL, this Lambda has been deployed, right? So now we can test the Lambda from here itself. Otherwise, look, hello GL is showing. Also, we can just take the API, get with that particular URL, and then we can go to the postman and then just get method as my Lambda is get method. So let us hit that one. It should get me hello GL. So this is the thing, once it'll be like something if you want to change over here, then you can change it. So anything you can change, like I am giving this and then just save it. And then again, you have to build the Lambda and deploy it. So now again, I'm going to SAM deploy guided. So it will not take much time right now because just bit changes will be there, right? All should be yes, because previously when we have deployed the new Lambda just now, changes will be like deployed, right? Not the whole things like from the beginning itself, we are not going to do anything. So just one line, not all. That is also not one line. Just one word I have included over there. So that will be like changed over there into the Lambda. And once we'll be hitting the APIs, before it was showing hello GL. So now once I'll be hitting that after deployment, so it will be showing that hello GL hack, something like that, right? Yes. Wait for 2-3 minutes. It will be immediately deploy our Lambda with the changes. So now, once that will be done, that is done. So now let us hit the APIs. Before that, we can change the code, check the code also over here. And here you can see like hello Joel is coming, right? So let us go to the postman and hit that. It's coming, right? So that's the thing, I wanted to show you. Another thing, like you want to deploy, delete that whole stack and all. So let me show you the CloudFormation stack also. So this is the Lambda you saw. So CloudFormation stack, if I go, there should be one stack should be created and that you can see that stack. So here you can see Lambda 1, right? Here the stack has been created. So now I want to delete that whole thing. So just drag the delete, SAM delete. It will be delete for you. Yes, yes, everything should be deleted. Yes, S3 bucket and all, everything template, all the things will be deleted. So cloud function stack and all, everything will be deleted, right? So it will take 2 to 3 minutes time to delete everything. So let us check whether it's deleted or not. Started deleting in progress, right? So once it will be completed, deleting the things, so it will be everything will be deleted over there. So there won't be any issue. So this is the simple way, creating the Lambda, deploying the Lambda, and deleting the your stack. So this is a simple way to do using the SAM CLI. Okay. So it's deleting, so it will take time, some time. So I'm not going to show that thing, automatically. If you use this command, it will be delete your stack from your AWS platform. Okay. So thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you like it. And if you want to read the things about the SAM CLI and Lambda deployment, so you can follow my blog, JUIE dot BU double Z. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching this.